Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ella White, your SCA historian.
And I'm Alyssa Kelly, your SCA president. And this is the news for Thursday, February 27, 2020. In this day in history, in 1827, the first Mardi Gras was celebrated in New Orleans, Louisiana.
In 1879, the artificial sweetener saccharin was discovered.
In 1951, the Second Amendment to the U.S. Constitution was ratified, limiting presidents to 2 terms.
The word of the day is gripe. To gripe is to complain about something.
Many of the teachers and students here at Bedford Hills gripe about the lack of snow we've had recently.
Seriously, where is the stuff? Today is National Polar Bear Day. This day is all about polar bear and conservation efforts for them.
Did you know polar bears can reach a height of 9 feet tall and weigh above 1,400 pounds?
Oh, really? Did you know that some polar bears are powerful swimmers and some have been swimming hundreds of miles from land?
And that's all for us today.
This is Ella White
And Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible.
be ready to learn. It's
It's
the Husky way every day. Have a great day.